To delete an account in Metamask, start by opening the Metamask extension in your browser. Click on the Metamask icon to open the extension and you will see a list of your accounts. Next, click on the three dots next to the account you want to delete and select the account details option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the account details page where you can view your account information. On the account details page, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the page and select Delete Account from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the account. Click on the Delete button to confirm. Please note that deleting an account in Metamask will not recover your account or your funds. So make sure you have transferred all your funds to another account before deleting. Also, keep in mind that deleting an account will remove it from your Metamask extension, but it will not delete the account from the blockchain. The account will still exist on the blockchain, but you will no longer be able to access it through Metamask. After deleting the account, it will be removed from your list of accounts in Metamask, and you will not be able to use it to send or receive funds. It is also important to note that if you have multiple accounts in Metamask, you can delete any of them, but you cannot delete the main account that you used to create your Metamask wallet. In summary, to delete an account in Metamask, go to the account details page, click on the three dots, select Delete Account, and confirm the deletion. Always make sure to transfer your funds to another account before deleting. And be aware that deleting an account will not recover your account or funds.